Good evening and welcome to our Thanksgiving special, the show where we bring you news, stories, and absolutely no burnt turkeys. I'm Oscar.
I'm Melissa, here to keep things organized because these two cannot.
And I'm Melody, here for the food and the news. We have a lot for you today, so let's jump right in before these two start taste testing the props.
I'll let you know when I figure it out.
Leadership and AOHT are prepping for the big distribution for Thanksgiving on November 26th.
They were working way harder than I do when my family asked me to make mashed potatoes.
They ran this whole feast by themselves. It's entirely student run. We are just kind of helping out in the background, making sure everything's running smoothly, but mostly it's the AOHT kids, so really proud of that.
I'm definitely gonna have some mac and cheese, some turkey, only a little bit, some fried chicken, could leave out the beans. I don't mess with no beans. Also, I'm gonna have some mashed potatoes in there, some rice. Remember, no beans. Maybe some gravy.
I'm a Remnant, and my question for you is, what are you most thankful for? I'm most thankful for my basketball team, Coach Antilles, and Miss Alexia.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving dish?
My favorite Thanksgiving dish has to be mac and cheese.
So, our school had its open house, and honestly, it went way better than we expected.
Yeah, the hallways were packed and the parents and kids were actually smiling.
Teachers were excited, clubs were showing off, and the energy was great. Open house was a success.
If you missed it, don't worry. We'll see you next year.
And maybe bring snacks next time, just saying.
Anyways, that's how it went. Thanks for coming out and supporting our school.
Last week's open house was a full success. Families packed the gym, teachers and students showed off everything they've been working on, and the energy was crazy in the best way. From pathways to clubs to sports, everyone really brought their best. It was a really good time.
Finally, a story with a lot of heart.
Anthony opened up about his dad's recent brain surgery and how their family is staying strong through it.
Big respect to Anthony for sharing something so meaningful and personal to him.
This is his story.
August 29th, 2025 was the day that my life changed for a very long period of time. A few months ago, my dad has been saying how he's been having blurry vision, but we didn't think much of it, unfortunately, until his numbness came in. As we go to the urgent care, we thought it would just be some simple thing that will eventually go away, but it wasn't. It was the thing that I feared the most, having my dad have to go to surgery. Now, thankfully, my dad did survive, but unfortunately, he has been left with scars on his scalp and his head permanently for the rest of his life. If you ever feel anything not normal that you don't usually experience throughout your daily basis and it goes on for more than one day, please seek medical attention, no matter how small it is, because you never know if it could save your life or someone else's.
This Thanksgiving, be grateful, be kind, and help out where you can.
And please don't show up to dinner with store-bought mashed potatoes and try to act like you made it.
Leave people alone, at least they brought something.
From all of us,
Happy Thanksgiving!